Hey folks, Alan from Telefuel here, and today I'm excited to introduce another powerful new feature in Telefuel, chat type filters. The problem with the normal Telegram view is that all your chats, your DMs, groups, communities, bots, your channels, they're all thrown together in the chat list and they're sorted by the time of the last message. And because large groups and communities here are constantly active, they're always fighting for the top position, pushing your DMs down into the chat list. You can see here that I have to scroll around the chat list to try and find my personal conversations. So today with Telefuel, we're solving this problem by introducing chat type filters. And chat type filters are super simple. They separate your chat list into different tabs for DMs, groups, bots, and channels. It makes it extremely easy for you to go through and see a list of just your DMs, for example, here. So these are all individual people. It's extremely refreshing, and as simple as it is, it really changes the way that you can interact with and experience Telegram. This is a fundamentally different feeling browsing this list as opposed to the classic Telegram view. It makes it easier, faster, and more enjoyable for you to find the people you're looking for and to message them. So that's chat type filters in Telefuel. You can download Telefuel for free today for Mac, Windows, and Linux at www.telefuel.com, and we do have mobile apps on the way as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the inside.